Hello, my name's Freya Sledding. I'm Therapy Services Manager here at Airedale and I'm also an occupational therapist. I'm here to introduce one of the videos that will support the AHP strategy, ambitions and actions, and we want you to understand these videos and interact and give us feedback. So the area I want to introduce is our use of information and technology, and this has 4 different strands to it. The first strand is about the use of one single electronic patient record here at Airedale, and we have started to do this across some of our services, but we need to consistently have it across all services and use it as one single record. And this will improve the safety, our efficiency of service, but also the quality of care that we're able to give to patients. The next element of the strategy includes our use of telemedicine. And as you know, we use telemedicine in a few different areas, but what we want to do is improve the access to telemedicine for other areas, and this will help both improving the access but also giving the patient choice in how they receive care. We want to develop more web-based treatments and information that we use with our patients to encourage more self-care and self-management, but also encourage more independence and use of technology with our patients. We also want to use technology to train others instead of face-to-face traditionally training people, carers, other healthcare professionals. We want to use technology to enable this a little bit more. So here at Airedale, across our AHP services, we have plenty of examples that we already use. I'm not going to complete a list because I want you to tell me ideas that you're using within your services. But we've got the telemedicine in prisons. As we've talked about, System 1 is being implemented across AHP services. We've got a really good example of a stammering project using technology to access people with stammering across the country. And we're also growing our ideas around the use of social media within our services, both being more externally facing but also supporting people internally. And I know areas are using apps within treatment and web-based resources, but what I'm interested to know is what else are you doing? What are you using in your services? Please tell us. And also the second part of that is not to be content with what we're already doing, but also thinking to the future and what should we be doing more of using technology and information. So I want your ideas of where should we be using it, where should we be implementing, what should be our priorities around AHP services around information and technology. And we realise that there are some barriers in doing this, so we're interested in knowing what are the barriers that stop you using more information and more technology in your areas, and any ideas around how we overcome those barriers. So I hope this has given you some food for thought, this video. Please interact either through social media, through the your email back to the reply, and tell us what you're doing. Please tell us. We need this to be your strategy, and we want you to own this strategy and recognise it for yours.